Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add a photo to contact on Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. To add a photo to contact, go to Phone app and then choose a contact you want to add a photo to. Then click here to edit and click on Add Picture. Now you can either choose device photos or illustrations. You can choose a photo from gallery or from camera. I'm gonna take a photo now from camera. So let's take it. And then approve. You can adjust it and click on choose, then save. And now your photo, the device photo has been saved. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.